Okay. So now welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tarun Agarwal. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a live demo on how you can edit videos using Canva. So Canva is most widely used tool for photo editing, but today I'm going to share with you how I edit videos using Canva also. So for this video purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote my templates. Okay, now I am into network marketing business, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote my templates. These are the templates done for your templates. So by the way, if you're into network marketing business and you want these templates, like if you want to ready to use email files, okay, I mean lead magnet opt-in email. If somebody opts in for your email, then what type of email you must send to them automatically. So these emails are pre-written for you. Webinar opt-in emails pre-written for you, nurturing email pre-written for you, 100 email subjects. Even right now, if you're not using any email marketing system, don't worry. Here, if you buy these templates, in that case, you will also get access to a short tutorial on how you can use a tool called ConvertKit. Okay, using ConvertKit, you can enable this. Also, 5 sample lead magnets I'm going to give you, MLM funnel designs, and also 10 social media graphics I'm going to give to you. So these are done for your templates, especially for network marketers. I'm into network marketing and I help network marketers to build their business 100% online. So if you're into network marketing, then you can grab this. It is just rupees 397. Okay, it is full in value. It is going to save lots and lots of time, effort, and energy for you. Okay, so this is not a course. It is a done for you template. So grab it, and high in value and very low in cost. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, okay, you can buy the template by clicking on the link in the video description. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm here in this tutorial, I'm also going to share with you how I am planning to promote it. I want to create a video, and a short 1 minute or 90 seconds, maybe maximum 2 minutes to 2 minutes video commercial. And for this, I want to use Canva. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do this practically. I wanted to do this alone, but it is better to turn on the recording and share the same with you all. Okay, so to promote this, what I want is I want to create a video using Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Canva now. Okay, and I've already logged in through my using my account. Now I want to create a video tutorial. Okay, this is already a photo design which I have designed using Canva by going into poster. Okay, poster, there's one option for poster. I went there and I designed this. Now I want to create a video. So for this, what you can do is go to video. Okay, I'm clicking here 1920 into 1080, which is a good quality dimension. It is going to give us quality video. Okay, so there's so many designs available. What I'm going to do this is, let's pick up a blank video. Okay, blank. So to create a commercial to promote my templates, what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to use some stock free videos, also some background music, and also I'm going to voice over through my own audio. Okay, so as we can see here, under templates, there are so many templates available. Okay, default templates, but I'm not going to use any of these. What I'm going to do is um, I'm going to click on, okay, if you go down, okay, let me go to this, click on more. Okay, and from here you will find an option for videos. I've already enabled it, so click on videos. Okay, if you're not seeing option here on about videos, then you can check it from here by clicking on more. Okay, so I'm clicking on video here, and what I want is, initially I want a video. Okay, a video for a video commercial. I want something like this, where I want to say every day thousands of people join network marketing. This is what I want to say. Okay, so in this commercial, what I want is I want to start with a problem, and then I will share exactly the life of a network marketer. I'm also into network marketing, so I can understand that. So this is a video which is a stock free video I can find from here. So what I'm going to do here is, after inserting this video, I'm clicking on text and then click on this headline, and I want to add a headline here, a text here. Okay, and the best font which I like is Oswald. Okay, so using this Oswald font, I'm going to write here every day. Okay, thousands of people join network marketing. This is what I want to type. Okay, and let it convert to, let's convert this into capital. So this is what I want. This is the first screen. Okay, just 13 seconds. Let's shorten the duration 9 seconds. Okay, every day thousands of people join network marketing. And now I want to say, okay, people start network marketing with huge excitement and they are fully charged up. Okay, so now I want a video. I click on video. I want a video where a person is fully charged up. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to people, and now I'm going to search. These are crown, I mean, these are pro. I'm using free mode of Canva. So here I have to check some video where a person is giving presentation. Okay, this is good. So let's use this and this plus button. Okay, so again, let's shorten the duration here. And now I want to type here, okay, using text. I want to type here. Okay, let's keep it here. They start with full excitement. Okay, this is what I want to share, and that's a reality. Okay, people start network marketing with huge excitement. Okay, and they start with full excitement. This is the text. Okay, and now again converting this into Oswald and report. Okay, so they start with full excitement. Got it? So let's see how it goes. Okay, so what I can do is in Canva, this is the slide bar. I can right click here and I can split. Okay, if I want to split the video, or if in case I want to shorten the length, then I can just drag like this. So let's keep it here and let's play. Now I want some kind of animation also. So let's stop it here and let's click on animate. And now I want blog. These are some options available. I think this one looks good. Breathe. Okay. Okay. So let's use this one. Breathe. Same in this also. Okay. Let's click on apply to all. Okay. Breathe. And now let's go at the beginning and let's start. Every day, thousands of people join network marketing. Okay. Now I want to say across the globe, there's so many people who join network marketing. Okay. I'm in India, but everywhere people are doing network marketing. They start with full excitement. This is what I want to say. Now next, I want to say, next I want to show life of a networker. Let's again go back to videos. And now I want to show a person who is into working mode. Okay, somebody who is working. So let's again come back to videos and let's just search. And I mean, this is the thing which takes some time, okay, to understand. Okay, let's click on this plus and use this one. This is a person who is working on his mobile phone. So this is a great example. Like as a networker, we are talking to our prospects, right? So let's use text. What a networker does. Okay, what a networker does. So let's again select Oswald and let's use white font here with a bullet point. Okay, so what a networker does, he do cold calls. Okay, then DMs, and also let's do it left alignment. Okay, cold calls, DMs, what else? Webinars, presentations. Okay, and then follow up. Okay, all these kind of things, daily routine of a networker. Cold calls, DMs, and then content. Okay, like this. So now this does not look very clear. It is not readable. So let's go to elements and let's use this one, a simple rectangle, just to give a good background. Okay, so that the text becomes readable, and like this. Now it looks really good. Okay, so let's play and let's see how it looks. Let's play. Okay, looks good. Cold calls, DMs, webinars, follow-up, content. Okay, this is the This is what a networker does. So overall, right now we have got it 19 seconds. Okay, so 19 seconds commercial we have already created so far. I am planning to make it at least 1 minute. Okay, so let's again check from the starting. Okay, every day, thousands of people join network marketing. And this looks really good, this video. Okay, they start with full excitement initially. Then they do cold calls, TMs, webinars, follow-up, content marketing. They contact so many people. Okay, now next what he does now, apart from using all these videos which are already here available, okay, these are stock free videos. Apart from this, you can also upload your own videos. Okay, so what I have done is I have my own, if I click on upload, these are some photos I have uploaded. Also I have uploaded some of the videos. Okay, so next, what a networker does, he also works with a team. Okay, so let's use this particular video. I think this video is already okay. Yeah, I uploaded this video from Pexels. Okay, so if you want more videos, so I am going to give you an excellent tip, that is go to pexels.com, pexels.com, and from here you can search like working. Okay, search working, and this is the keyword which you have to search, and then click on videos. Okay, so you will find this is by default, it shows photos. If you click on videos, these all are videos. You can download any of these videos to use for your own purpose. Okay, so these are stock free videos. So from here, what I have done is I have downloaded one video, this one. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's directly use this one. Okay, this is my video, this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one video. I think this learning जो मुझे मिली जो अच्छा हुआ starting में मिल गई because yeah, so this video learning जो मुझे मिली जो अच्छा हुआ starting में मिल. Yeah, so this video has an audio also. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this video, okay, like this, and now I have to cut the volume. Okay, I mean the audio. If I have to cut the audio, how can I do it? Let's see. Click here. Okay. Because let's see. Yeah, so if I click on this video, I can see here at the top volume button. Click here and you can turn off the audio. So if I now play like this video starting from here, and then now it does not has any audio. So I don't want to keep it so long. Okay, let's cut short the duration to just 5 seconds. 5 seconds is good. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is a video where I want to say, okay, we do webinar, okay, this way, cold calls, TMs, okay, then we do presentations. So now let's type here presentations. Again, Oswald font, bold, and now presentations. Okay, I want to type business presentations. Okay, so let's keep it like this. So it goes like this. Okay, and you can see if scene is changing. I mean, this is the scene, and the next scene. Now there is a plus button here. If I want to add a transition mode, so I can click here on the plus button, and there is an option called transition, add transition. So from here, I can use like this. Okay, if one scene changes to the another, so this way I can use it. Okay, this one. So let's use this one. Dissolve looks good. And now what I can do is apply to all pages, between all pages. So you can see there is this button, this icon, which it shows now. So if I play this now, if the scene changes, automatically this transition will be applied. Let's play. Yeah, little fade away, right? So it looks good so far. They start with full excitement, DMs, cold calls, webinars, follow-up, content marketing. They do business presentations, endless presentations and presentations. Okay, right? So let's use element again here to show business presentation very clearly, like this one, and this one. Okay, this looks good. So again, let's change this text into white color, business presentations. Okay, now what else? DMs, all these things, business presentations, and then a person does a follow-up. Okay, then I click here, and now I'm going to use a video for follow-up. Okay. So for follow-up, we can use a video where a person is working. Okay. Somebody who is working. So let's go to videos again, and then you can search. Let's search here working. I want to add a video where a person is typing, okay, typing something. So I want to show follow-up. Okay, if somebody is following up with the prospect like this, I want to show. Okay, if you don't find any good quality video here, because these are some pro, so what you can do is you can go here to pexels.com, and this video I can use this one. Okay, working. So this is the video. If I can play here, this is a video where person is working. So what I can do, I can click on free download. Okay, I can free download this video, and then if I go to Canva, I will go to upload, and then this video which I've just downloaded, I can upload this video. So this video will be uploaded to our upload section. So just imagine what a great tool it is, Canva. So all these things are happening on cloud. Okay, so your system processor is not being used. This is done by Canva. Okay, it is everything is happening on web browser. Okay, so there is no need to install it. Okay, so we can download video from Pexels and upload it here. This is a stock free video from Pexels which I've downloaded, and it is now being uploaded here. The same video I'm going to use here. So what I want to show here is, as a networker, many people join network marketing. They start with excitement. They do some work. They follow some activities. I mean, DMs and all those kind of things. They do presentations, and then they do this follow-up also. Okay, so this follow-up video is here. Now I can expand this to full screen. Okay. So total now it is showing 27 minutes, 27 seconds. Okay. So now I want to write a text. Okay. Follow up. And I can changing this into Oswald. Okay. This is a long video. Okay. So I'm not sure if you are finding it this useful or not, but yes, I'm giving you live demo. So definitely it is going to take some time. Okay, but stay with me. Thank you very much for staying with me so far. Okay. Business presentations, follow up. It looks really good, right? So using chat option, you can say, yeah, it is good, looks good, right? Now, what else? Next, I want to show 27 commercial already, 27 seconds already done. Now I also want to add an audio. Okay, suppose if I want to add audio, so what I can do is I can go to audio, and there are some free audio files available here. Okay, there's some free audio files, so you can try these. But yes, I have used this one, Video Game Blockbuster. This sounds really good, so I'm using this. It is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. If I just click this, it automatically goes below this video. Okay, so now let's hear this audio. Let's go at the beginning and let's hear this audio. Good. Start with full excitement. We do cold calls, meetings, webinars, follow-up, content marketing. The prospect. Right? So this music looks really good. Okay, sounds good. Yes. So using chat option, just say it looks good, Okay. So far this is a 27 seconds commercial so far. Now I want to, I have already shared some pain areas of network marketers. Now I want to share, this is the reality. Now I want to share this solution in a form. I mean, this is the life of a networker. And again, I want to share another scenario which happens, and that is, I want, if I go to Pexels, okay, I want somebody who is sad. Okay, sad. Okay, so there's so many sad videos here. Okay, so let's see. So what I want to share here is, we start with full excitement, but after some time, this looks good. Okay, husband, wife, we start with full excitement, but after some time, this converts into frustration. Okay, this one, this video. And we set huge expectations to our family members, but when we are not able to make some money, then it converts into, this results into bad situation in our family. Okay, so this video looks good. So I have just downloaded this and I have uploaded in Canva. Okay, this is the video I have just uploaded in Canva. So I will click here on the plus button and I will use this video. Okay, so here what I want to show is that, yeah, we started with full excitement, and then later on, the huge expectation, we set huge expectations, like we are going to make it really big in our business, but after some time, our family members, they don't support us because they don't see any results. Got it? So let's see. Follow up. We will do follow up. Got it? So let's click on this audio file and let's extend this audio file here. Huge expectations for our family members. After some time, we our family and frustrated for us. Yeah, so that's a reality, and not in network marketing, in every business. People start with huge excitement, and after some time, it converts into frustration, and that's a part of business. Okay, now next, I want to show that there is no problem with the business. The problem is the way you are working. Okay, so for that, I have to show some people, or I have to show somebody who is working in a very good mood. Okay, working. Okay, let's see, working. Somebody who is working with a very professional attitude. Okay, so we have to check that. And solo, single person. Okay. Let's see this video. So website name is pexels.com. So if I want to create a story, problem is not with the business, problem is the way you are building it. Okay, but this person is only typing. Let's use some other, this one. Let's see this. Yeah, let's use this one. Download from pexels.com, and then I'm going to upload this in Canva. So Canva, I will just drag and drop. Okay, so this is a video I've downloaded from Pexels, uploaded here. Now, if I click on the plus button, I will use this particular video here. Okay. So yeah, Canva is a brilliant tool. Yes. Are you finding this useful? Just type useful. This is long form content. Okay. But yes, giving you a live demo. So that's why it is going to take some time for me. I don't care about how much minutes I'm consuming right now. But yes, I want to give you the demo so that you can understand how to do it. Okay. So here I want to say, here I want to type here, problem is not in business. It's okay. Let's change the text size 50, or let's increase this to 70. Okay. Problem is not in business. Accept this fact. You accept this fact. You don't have you don't have right tools and you can say tools and material to build business. Okay, so problem is not in business. Accept this fact. You don't have right tools and material to build business. Okay, and now I'm going to again use an element, this one. And let's again change this text to Oswald, bold, and like this. So again, okay, so it looks good. Now changing this color to white. Keeping it in the center line this way. Okay, problem is not in business, except this fact you don't have right tools and material to build business. Okay, now I'm going to introduce my template. Okay, so here I click on plus button, and now I'm going to use these templates. I have created these templates especially for network marketers. If you're into network marketing, okay, go ahead and take access to this template. It is just rupees 397. Yes, only 397. Click on upload, then images. I have uploaded this. Okay, this file. Now I expand this like this. And now I'm changing the background to black. Okay, now text. This text again, the color, I want to keep it white. Now the background music is really very good, right? Oswald. Now introducing ready to use templates specially designed for network marketers. Introducing ready to use templates specially designed for network marketers. Right? Introducing ready to use templates specially designed for network marketers, like this. Got it? So this again looks good. And I want this to show on screen for at least not just 5 seconds, at least for 8 seconds, 6. Let's see how it looks. So this audio file, if I click here on this audio, let's expand this audio file till here. Got it? Let's play. On the click on this, by pressing space button, I can play it, okay? So this video is little long, so let's shorten the duration. Got it? So here I also should add a text. and the text should be with family lose trust as there is no achievement, only. Okay. After a few days, family lose trust. Okay, so this happens with those people who start this business with initial like only excitement without any investment on their knowledge. So this happens with those people. So it is time to learn. I mean, network marketing is now 100% online, so we have to learn how to build it digitally. So I would strongly suggest you, if you're into network marketing, I would strongly suggest you to come to my community, DNA Club, where I will teach you how to build network marketing business 100% online. You can go to dnaclub.in/gold, and you can see all the details there. Okay, I will share the link of my DNA Club community, link to register for it in the video description below. Okay. Yeah, we have around 600 people in this community. So let's. This again, it is a very long video. Let's cut short it. So here, let's convert this into capital. And let's use an arrow also. Okay, let's go to element and let's use arrow. Let's use this one. Let's also see, I'm not a designer. Okay, I'm not a designer. So if you are into designing, so I'm not a designer, I'm just trying my best. Okay, so looks good. So right now it is showing 58 seconds. Okay, so let's check it out from the beginning. Okay, looks good. Yes, so it is looking really good. Okay. So I think that's it. It is 58 seconds. Now what I can do is I can now download it. Okay, if I click on download, okay, and another thing, let me also because there is no, people will not understand who has created this. Okay, so let me add another slide here, this one, and let me add my photo. Okay, so let me add one of my photo, and then I will say especially you can say created by Tarun Agarwal this way. Okay, so let me use one of my photo. These are some of the photos which I've already uploaded in Canva. So let me check. Okay, are you finding this useful or not? What an amazing tool this is, right? So let me use. If you're finding this useful, just type useful, subscribe the channel also, and also make sure if you're into network marketing, this is not just a commercial, this is also just to tell you that yes, as a networker, you can buy these templates. These templates are going to help you a lot to build your network marketing business, where I am already giving you some lead magnet ideas, some lead magnets. You can try it. You can just check 5 lead magnets, and the same way copy and paste, and you can create your own lead magnet. It is going to save lots and lots of time for you. Okay, created by Tarun Agarwal, DNA Club. You can say founder of, it looks good. Founder of DNA Club. So let's shorten the this font, and then this is the font I'm using, Oswald. Created by, let's shorten this one, created by, and also left align, entire text left align. Created by Tarun Agarwal. Let's keep it here. And I want to add another text. Left align, okay. Helping network marketing professionals to build business, helping network marketing professionals to automate their business. Okay, got it. So this is at the end I want to show, and I can cut it to only 2 seconds. So this audio file, I have to click on this audio purple, and then I will expand this till the end, exactly 1 minute. Let's cut this duration, and let's increase this duration also to at least 3 seconds, or even we can have 1 more second here. Okay, 4 seconds. Got it. So these are small things. It takes some time, but yes, within half an hour, I am able to create a very good looking commercial, right? Yeah. So let's see this from here. Got it. So this looks good. So that's a commercial. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just click here on the download button and MP4 suggested, and then I will click on download. So it is going to download this entire file into MP4 format, and now I can use it on Instagram or anywhere where I want to promote it. So this is a very easy way. I mean, using Canva, I have created a commercial in just half an hour to 35 minutes. Okay, did you find this useful? So this is an amazing tool, Canva. Already I have created some tutorials related to Canva earlier on my YouTube channel, but yes, you can also try this again at your own. I mean, you can try using this feature of Canva, and I'm very much sure that and it is absolutely free. I'm using free mode, free account. Okay, I'm not into pro mode of Canva. Okay, so if you found this valuable, just type value. And if you're into network marketing business, and if you are looking for done for you service, I mean this done for you templates, so it is just rupees 397. You will get access to lead magnet opt-in emails. I have pre-written some emails for you. Just use these emails, and there is no need for you to think what to write. Okay, just copy and paste, and you can use these emails for your own business. Then webinar opt-in emails, somebody who opts in for the webinar, what email to send to them, already written for you. Nurturing emails, if somebody is already into your email list, what type of email to send. If you are into affiliate marketing, this is useful for you. 100 email subject ideas I have given here. So thinking about this, what should be the subject of the email? This is, again, it takes so much of time. So it is going to save lots and lots of time for you. 5 sample lead magnet ebooks, 5 ebooks as a lead magnet I have uploaded here. So you can use any of these. You can just copy and paste, and you can create your own ebooks for yourself. MLM funnel designs. There's some funnels I have just shared with you, some of the funnel designs for you. And 10 social media graphics, which you can, as it is, use to promote your lead magnet. So email opt-in is there. All the email, pre-written emails are there. Just copy paste, just change your name of the prospect, that's it. And this is going to save lots and lots of time, effort, and energy for you. Okay, so go ahead, take access to this done for you template. This is not a course, and let me give you a quick glimpse of this. Once you get access to it, immediately you will get access to this Google Drive, where I have shared this into PDF in PDF format. Just open any of this PDF. This is welcome email sequence. Just copy and paste all these emails which I have already written. So these are well written emails, copyrighted. So you can just copy, and you can start using it for your own purpose. Okay. So yeah, so this is something which I've recently launched, which is going to help you to build business with more productivity without wasting time in thinking about what to do today, all this kind of thing. Got it? So I hope this tutorial, today's Canva tutorial, you found it useful. I hope this template you will buy by clicking on the link below. And live, what I have done is I've showed you, I have displayed how I create a commercial very easily using Canva. This is a high quality commercial I created. Okay. If you found this useful, share this with other people, and also make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel also. Check out the links in the video description. See you.